First up, create an interactive Pokédex. But not just any Pokédex. This one's packed with all of Ash's Pokémon, including legendary ones. Okay, create a 3D visualization of Bangkok, with all the tourist hotspots. Graphic designing? Yep, nailed it. Game development? Oh yeah, it's a pro there too. And wait for it, it can even dive into the cosmos and build star constellations like Ursa Major and Big Dipper. That's just adorable. And oh, it can crack the gold games too. This thing's not just smart, it's insanely creative. So, how exactly do you use Gemini? Well, right now there are two main places to use Gemini 2.5 Pro. One is through Google AI Studio, and the other is gemini.google.com, and yep, that's exactly what you're seeing on the screen right now. Don't worry, I'll drop the link in the description below. Research, structured breakdown, and then, boom, it generates custom code tailored to exactly what we asked for. I'll just copy that and throw it into an online code interpreter, and we're all set for the banger demo. Oh cool. Smooth graphics, clean interaction. This isn't just code, this is next-gen AI creativity. Now inside Gemini, there are several AI model options to choose from, but the one that's absolutely stealing the spotlight right now is the one this whole video's focused on. Gemini 2.5 Pro. We'll jump straight into the real-world demos to see it in action, and we'll talk about its specs and how it stacks up against other models a bit later on. Let's turn up the crazy a bit. Here's the prompt. Generate a 3D visualization of Thailand, with a left side column listing top tourist destinations, and on clicking any of them, it should zoom in and navigate to that exact location. To do this, we're using Freebox. Pretty smart, right? Now scroll. Gemini hands over the complete code. And boom, look at that. On the left, we've got the top destinations: Chiang Mai, Phuket, Bangkok, Krabi, and more. And check this out, when I click on any of them, it smoothly zooms into that exact location, rotates the view, and gives a quick fly-through. And then when I click elsewhere, it zooms right back out with perfect ease. It's just, wow, the animation is buttery smooth. The accuracy? Spot on. It's way beyond my expectations, seriously. I mean, if you told me I'd get something like this from a single line prompt, I'd probably laugh. But Gemini? It just said, sure, done. Final verdict? Absolutely mind-blowing. We're not just coding anymore. We're creating entire interactive worlds. Imagine this, an interactive night sky, where you can see the constellations clearly marked, connect the dots, and even hover to reveal names. That's what we're building right now. Here's the prompt. Create an interactive view of the night sky with the top 20 constellations. Figure out how to represent the night sky, like what background to use, how to simulate deep space, and then it has to accurately plot the stars in 3D coordinates. Not just random dots, but astronomically mapped positions. It also needs to figure out how to draw constellation lines, connecting star to star to reveal familiar patterns like Big Dipper, Ursa Major, Orion, and many more. Building a celestial map from scratch. And guess what? Once it's done analyzing and coding, Gemini hands us this fully functional HTML file. Let's open it up. Whoa, this is gorgeous. Right in front of us is a fully interactive 3D star map. Let's switch gears a little bit and dive into data visualization. You might think, bubble charts? Been there, done that. But hold on, this one's done using Plotly Express, with Gemini 2.5 Pro. And trust me, it's insane. So, here's what we do. We simply type in a prompt like, create a bubble chart using Plotly Express. Make it interactive. Boom, Gemini starts working. We click run, and just wait for it. Within seconds, it renders a super clean, interactive chart. You can hover over each bubble, see the values, categories, tooltips, and even filter the data live. It's not just a static graph. It's a full-blown dynamic dashboard. And all of this, auto-coded by AI. Now, just when you think that's the limit, Gemini goes, hold my GPU. Let's take it to another level. What if we want to build something wild? Like, say, this futuristic hexagon grid chart. We give it a prompt like, create a 3D hexagon-based visualization with animated transitions and hover data. Guess what? Gemini parses it, understands the logic, builds the layout, applies animation logic, and renders this mind-bending structure. Each hex cell is interactive. You hover, info pops up, click, and the animation kicks in. Seriously, this isn't just visualization, This is design meets code meets AI creativity. And it gets better. You can link these visuals to live datasets, or even embed them in dashboards or web apps with just a few tweaks. I mean, look at it. From classic plots to pure imagination, Gemini 2.5 Pro lets you push boundaries with just words. Let's build something that feels alive, something that's not just interactive, but visually dynamic. Yep, we're talking about an interactive dashboard, with moving elements. Just imagine, live stats flying in, cards animating on hover, charts pulsating as data flows. It's like your data has a heartbeat. And just a few seconds later, boom, the dashboard is here. Just look at it, the colors, the layout, the design. The UI is clean, but alive. We've got hover effects, moving cards, glowing buttons. It feels like something straight out of a futuristic admin panel. Each animation has purpose. It's time to help our little guy, Ash Ketchum, with his broken Pokédex. We're gonna fix it, Gemini style. So here's the prompt. Create a fully functional interactive Pokédex using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. With data on all of Ash's Pokémon, including legendary ones like Palkia, Dialga, Mewtwo, yep, the big Buatu. And what do we get? A digital Pokédex like no other. You open it, boom, every Pokémon Ash has ever owned, right there. Checkmark search functionality? Checkmark of course. Checkmark filter by type, power level, evolution stage? Checkmark already done. Checkmark want to explore by region? Kanto to Galar, it's all there. This isn't just a Pokédex, it's a whole Pokémon universe in your browser. And here's the cool part, the UI feels like you're in the anime. You tap on a Pokémon, its card pops out with animation. You get the moves, the stats, the power levels, the story. From Pikachu to Palkia, from Charizard to Zeraora, this thing has it all. And yeah, it's totally built using Gemini 2.5 Pro. One prompt, one AI, one legendary result. So whether you're a fan of old school battles, or just want to see how many times Ash forgot his Butterfree existed, this digital Pokédex is an absolute banger. Honestly, it's not just helping Ash anymore, it's helping all of us relive the magic. Now let's just hope Team Rocket doesn't hack this thing, cause this Pokédex is next level. Built different, and that's how you bring anime into reality. And hey, if that blew your mind even a little bit, smash that like button, drop your favorite Pokemon in the comments below, Team Charizard or Team Greninja, anyone, and don't forget to subscribe, cause this is just the beginning. We're diving deeper into AI, creativity, and turning wild prompts into reality. Gemini 2.5 Pro. And trust me, the next one? It's gonna be even crazier. So buckle up, turn on those notifications, and let's build the future, one insane idea at a time. Catch you in the next one.